Unveiling Idioms. Burying the Hatchet, Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're going to explore the intriguing idiom, bury the hatchet. This phrase has a rich history and a meaning that extends far beyond its literal interpretation. So, if you're ready to enhance your English vocabulary and sound like a native speaker, stay tuned. The phrase, bury the hatchet, is an idiom that means to make peace with someone or to settle a dispute. It's used when two parties decide to stop fighting or arguing and move forward in harmony. The key here is the action of burying, which symbolically puts an end to the conflict, as if it were a weapon that's no longer needed. This idiom has a fascinating origin that dates back to Native American peacemaking ceremonies. When tribes decided to settle their differences and live in peace, they would literally bury a hatchet or other weapons in the ground as a symbolic gesture of their agreement. This act was a powerful representation of their commitment to peace. The practice was observed by early European settlers in North America and eventually made its way into the English language as the idiom we use today. To help you incorporate bury the hatchet into your everyday English, let's look at a few examples. After years of rivalry, the two companies finally decided to bury the hatchet and merge. It's time we bury the hatchet and move on from this argument. They buried the hatchet after realizing their friendship was more important than their disagreement. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional disputes. Understanding idioms like bury the hatchet can greatly enrich your English language skills and help you express yourself more naturally. We hope this exploration of the phrase's meaning and history has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase or idiom you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.